Jai Hind everyone, welcome back to the class of English studies. My name is Arun Kumar, your guide, mentor and partner in the mission of mastering NDS, CDS and SSA English. Friends, in the previous class we started a new topic, question tag. We discussed basic rules, tricks, traps with the help of sentences. We also discussed 5 golden rules of question tag. Now, in this class, we are going to apply those rules in sentences. We will see how those rules come into action when we apply them in real questions. Let us start. Before we start, this is for recapitulation, this is for revision. We, in the previous class, discussed these 5 golden rules, 5 golden tricks of changing question tag, changing tag of any sentence. First is what? Polarity rule. First is what? Polarity rule. Two poles we discussed. The first pole negative, second pole positive. If a statement is positive, tag will be negative. If a statement is negative, tag will be positive. Opposites attract. We have already discussed this in the previous class. Same auxiliary rule means while changing the tag, what we will do? We will use the same helping verb that has been used in the statement, that has been used in the sentence. Do support rule. When helping verbs, auxiliary verbs are not visible in the sentences, then what we'll do? We will use do, does, or did, depending on the tense of the sentence. Next is tense mirror rule. While changing the tag, we shall use the same tense which has been used in the sentence. And the last one, which is very important, in question tag we don't write nouns. What we use? Pronoun. We shall use pronoun in place of noun. So he is ready. We can see positive, question tag is negative. She has finished. Hasn't she? Why? Same helping verb, has and hasn't she. Third one, do support rule. He plays well. Now here the helping verb is not visible. So what we need? Doesn't he? Why doesn't he? Because this is simple present tense. Now you can see tense mirror. Tense mirror rule. They went home. What is the tense? Simple past. So question tag is what? Simple past. Didn't they? Now pronoun swap rule. Rohit is late. Isn't he? Why he, not Rohit? Because in question tag we use pronoun, not noun. As simple as that. Now we are going to apply all these 5 rules in sentences. So let us do the first one. What we have to do here, we have to fill these gaps with the correct question tags. We will read the sentence one by one and we will fill the gaps with correct question tags. Let us start with the first one. You are aware of the rules. What is polarity here? Positive. So the question tag will be negative. So for making negative, what is the helping verb? Are. Aren't. Why aren't? Because sentence is positive. Aren't. And subject pronoun is what? You. So right answer is what? Aren't you? He hardly speaks to strangers. Now, hardly, scarcely, little, few, these are the negative words. When they are used in sentences, they make the sentences negative. So, he hardly speaks to strangers. What type of sentence is it? It is negative sentence. So, question tag will be positive. So, speaks to the strangers, present simple, present indefinite. So do oblique does, and what subject pronoun? He. So can we write here does he? Yes or no? Why not doesn't he? Because hardly is making it negative. Question tag will be positive. Now let us finish the work quickly. We have already discussed difference between let's and let him, let her and let them. When we say let's, in that a speaker is included. Yes or no? So let us. So what is us? We. Okay. So what will be the question tag? Shall. Shall we. We from where? We from us. Shall we. Wherever you see let us, let's, and we have to write the question tag, we'll use what? Shall we. Let us is changed into shall we. Everyone knows the truth. Everyone. What? It seems to be singular. In subject verb agreement, everyone is singular. But in question tag, it is plural. When we say everyone knows the truth, what we mean? We mean that all know the truth. Sab koi janta hai. That is why in question tag, it is treated as plural. Now, everyone knows the truth. What is the tense? Present simple. Do or does? Do, and this is positive, so tag will be what? Negative. Don't. And everyone is plural, so don't they. Yes or no? Don't they. I am late for the parade. Remember the rule breaker. I am is the rule breaker. So what would be the correct question tag? Aren't I. I am is changed into aren't I. What? Amn't I is wrong in standard English. So I am is changed into aren't I. Very, very important. Very frequently asked in examination. Remember. Now, few candidates were selected. What is few? Again, negative word. So, making this sentence what? Negative. So, few candidates were selected. So, what would be the helping verb? Where? Yes or no? Where? Now this is negative, so we will not change it negative. Now what would be the subject pronoun? Few candidates can be written as they. So few candidates were selected. Were they? Why not weren't they? Because few is negative. Now used to, she used to live here. So used to, talking about past, something happened in past, and for past what we use? Did. Simple past, past indefinite. So she used to live here, so used to is changed into what? Did. And this is positive, so question tag will be negative. Didn't. What is pronoun subject here? She used to live here. Didn't she. Didn't she. So this is how we change the tags of these sentences. Now let's move to the next one. This is not your identity card. This is not your identity card. This is what? This is not. Negative. What is polarity here? Negative. So it will be positive. Is. Because helping verb is here. Now this is changed into what? It. This is changed into it in question tag. So this is not your identity card, is it? Nobody objected to the proposal. Nobody objected to the proposal. What is the tense? Tense is past simple. Did. Yes or no? Did. Did. And nobody is what? This is negative. This is negative. And this is plural. Everyone, nobody. I have already talked that they are plural in question tag. So sorry, did they. Did they. Why did? Because objected, past simple, so did. And pronoun is what? They. Why they? Nobody is changed into they. There is not any water left. What is? This is negative, so positive is what? Is. And pronoun is what? Is there. Few students understand this concept. Now you can see few here, again making the sentence negative. So tag will be positive. Understand. Understand. This is present simple, do. And for few students, what will write? They. Do they? Question tag is positive. Why? Because few is negative. Now, you see, a few students have submitted the assignment. Few and a few. Few is negative, negligible. A few is considerable. काम चलाऊं, थोड़ा positive. So a few is positive. So question tag will be negative. What is helping verb here? Have, make it negative, haven't. And for a few students, can we write here? They, haven't, haven't they. Okay, she hardly understands the rules. So hardly is what? Negative word, making this sentence negative. What will we will do here? Does, and pronoun subject is what? She. Does she? Why not doesn't she? Because hardly is negative. Now don't disturb the class. Remember the rule: imperative sentence, order, instruction, command. What we do? What is the question tag in order, instruction and command? Will you. Whenever you find any imperative sentence like order, command and instruction, your question tag will be will you. Now next is let me explain this rule. Let me, when the sentence has let him, let me, let them, the question tag is what? Will you. We have already discussed in the previous class. Now next is nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. Now what is the question tag? What is the helping verb? Is. And nothing is making this sentence negative, so it will be positive, is. And for nothing, what we use as pronoun? Is it. So nothing is impossible, is it. Nothing change into it. And is what? Same helping verb. Why we are not making it negative? Why? Because nothing is making the sentence negative. Now, next we have spot the error. This type of question is also asked in examination. Spotting the errors. They will just give you wrong question tag and you have to find out the error in the sentence. Let us start with the first one. You completed the task on time, didn't you? Okay, let us check. This is past simple, so did. This is polarity is what? Positive. So tag will be negative. Didn't. Now pronoun subject is you. So you is correct. So you completed the task on time. Didn't you is what? We have no error. यहाँ कोई गलती नहीं है. Just follow the rules. Let us start the discussion. Will you? Just right now we have discussed what? Let us, we. Let us is changed into what? Shall we. Shall we. Yes or no? Let us is changed into shall we. I am responsible for this. Remember this rule breaker? I am is changed into what? Not I am I not. Aren't Aren't I? Yes or no? Rule breaker, remember, I am is changed into aren't I. Nobody knows him. Nobody knows him. Now, nobody is making this sentence what? Negative. So, negative tag is not acceptable. Negative tag is not acceptable. Now, nobody knows him. So, do, because present simple, present indefinite, and for nobody we use what? They. Do they. She rarely visits her hometown, doesn't she? Now this is rarely what? Negative word, making the sentence negative, so negative tag is not acceptable. What? Does, and pronoun is what? She. Does she. Yes. Now we have MCQs. Question tags are also asked in MCQs form. Let's do this. He seldom makes mistakes. So seldom is what? negative word. So question tag will be positive. Now, makes mistake, present simple tense, present continuous, okay, and pronoun subject is he. So can we write does? Why not doesn't? Because seldom is negative. Does and pronoun is he. So write what will be the correct question tag? Does he? Let us see the option. Doesn't he? Does he is correct. Does he is correct. Very good. Now let us review the syllabus. So we have already discussed. Let us is changed into what? Shall, and us is changed into we. Shall we? Let us find the correct answer. Will you wrong? Won't you wrong? Shall we? Here, C option is correct one. Everyone was informed. Everyone was informed. Now, everyone we have discussed is treated as plural in question tag. So, what? Helping verb is was. So, this is plural. So, for plural, we will use what? Were. And this is positive. So, negative of were, weren't. Negative tag is weren't. And everyone is plural. So, weren't they. So, weren't they? Weren't they? Yes. B option is correct one. I am your senior. Rule breaker. Remember, I am is changed into what? Aren't I? Aren't I? Yes or no? So, aren't I? Option B is correct. There are many challenges. Very good. There are many challenges. What is the helping verb? Are. What is polarity? Positive. So, here it will be negative. Aren't. Now, there. Pronoun is what? There. So aren't there? So are they? No. Aren't there is the correct option. Aren't there is correct option. So this is all from the topic question tag. Signing off for today. See you in the next class with a new topic. Thank you. Thank you so much.